Stop right here, because what you're about to hear might completely change the way you look at small displacement motorcycles. This is not just another lightweight bike meant to be forgotten after a few months. This is a machine that shapes riders, builds confidence, and quietly delivers one of the purest riding experiences you can have on two wheels. And make sure you stay until the end, because there's something about this bike that almost no one talks about, yet it explains why riders who truly understand it never stop respecting it. This is Asa Rider, and today we're taking a deep, honest ride into the 2026 Yamaha DT 50X. The 2026 Yamaha DT 50X exists in a category that many people misunderstand. On paper, it looks small, modest, simple, but motorcycles are not lived on paper. They are lived on roads, in traffic, on back streets, and sometimes on paths you didn't even plan to take. And that's where the DT 50X begins to show its true value. It's not trying to impress strangers. It's trying to connect with the rider. From the very first glance, the DT 50X feels purposeful. Its stance is upright and balanced, giving it a confident posture that immediately separates it from scooters or toy-like beginner bikes. This looks like a real motorcycle because it is one. Slim bodywork keeps it agile, while its proportions make it feel planted and ready to move. There's no unnecessary styling clutter here. Everything looks like it belongs, and everything looks ready to be used. When you swing a leg over the DT 50X, the first thing you notice is how natural it feels. The seat height is approachable without feeling low or awkward. Riders can place their feet down with ease, which instantly builds confidence. That alone changes the riding experience, especially for new riders. The handlebars are positioned exactly where your hands want them to be, creating a relaxed yet alert riding posture. The foot pegs sit at a comfortable angle, keeping your legs relaxed and your body balanced. This riding position is one of the bike's greatest strengths. You're not leaning forward aggressively, and you're not sitting too upright either. You're centered, balanced, in control. That posture allows you to react quickly, see clearly, and ride longer without fatigue. Whether you're riding for 10 minutes or an hour, the DT 50X never feels demanding. Start the engine, and you're greeted with a character that feels lively but calm. There's no harsh vibration, no intimidating sound. Instead, there's a smooth, eager pulse that tells you the bike is ready to move when you are. Power delivery is gentle, predictable, and extremely usable. Without being jumpy or overwhelming. In city riding, this makes a massive difference. Stop-and-go traffic becomes easy instead of stressful, allowing new riders to focus on balance and awareness rather than clutch anxiety. Tight turns, narrow streets, and crowded intersections feel manageable because the bike never feels heavy or awkward. You guide it rather than wrestle it. The lightweight nature of the DT 50X becomes a huge advantage here. Maneuvering through traffic feels effortless. U-turns are stress-free. Parking is easy. Even pushing the bike by hand feels light and controlled. That ease of handling builds confidence quickly, and confidence is what keeps people riding. But the DT 50X isn't limited to slow urban speeds. It doesn't feel nervous or shaky. Instead, it encourages smooth, flowing riding. On suburban roads or twisty back streets, the bike feels playful and responsive. Leaning into corners feels natural, and the bike holds its line with surprising confidence. This is where many riders have their first real aha moment. They realize that speed isn't what makes riding fun. Balance is, flow is, control is. And the DT 50X teaches all that without ever feeling like a lesson. Rough inputs are gently exposed. That feedback loop is how riders improve. One of the most impressive aspects of the DT 50X is its suspension. In this class, suspension is often an afterthought, but Yamaha didn't treat it that way here. The suspension absorbs bumps and rough pavement without feeling harsh or bouncy. You feel connected to the road, but you're not punished by it. That balance keeps rides comfortable and confidence-inspiring, especially on imperfect city roads. Comfort goes beyond suspension. The seat is supportive without being too soft. It allows you to shift your position easily, which is important for both comfort and control. The upright posture keeps pressure off your wrists and back, reducing fatigue. Because the bike is light, your arms and shoulders don't tire quickly. That means longer rides feel enjoyable rather than exhausting. Fuel efficiency is another quiet strength of the DT 50X. This bike sips fuel, allowing you to ride longer between fill-ups. For daily commuters, this means lower running costs. For weekend riders, it means fewer interruptions. And for new riders, it means more seat time without worrying about expense. That accessibility matters. Maintenance is equally rider-friendly. Yamaha designed the DT 50X with simplicity and reliability in mind. Fewer complex systems mean fewer problems down the road. Servicing is straightforward, and ownership feels stress-free. This is a bike that wants to be ridden regularly, not babied or constantly adjusted. Technology on the DT 50X stays where it belongs. The instrument display is clear, simple, and easy to read. You get the information you need without distraction. Controls feel intuitive, and everything falls naturally to hand. There's no learning curve here. You focus on riding, not menus or settings. Braking performance is smooth and predictable. The brakes offer enough stopping power to feel confident without being grabby or intimidating. This predictability is especially important for new riders, helping them develop good braking habits and trust in the machine. What truly sets the DT 50X apart, though, is how it makes riders feel over time. This is not a bike you outgrow in a few weeks. It's a bike that grows with you. As your skills improve, the bike continues to reward you. As your confidence builds, the bike encourages exploration. You start taking longer routes. You start riding more often. You start choosing the bike because you want to, not because it's convenient. So who is the 2026 Yamaha DT 50X really for? It's for first-time riders who want to learn properly. It's for commuters who want something light, fun, and reliable. It's for experienced riders who remember why simple bikes are special. Here's the part most people don't realize. The DT 50X is not a temporary bike. It's a foundation. It teaches balance. It sharpens instincts. It builds smoothness. Riders don't just learn on it, they develop real skill with it. That's why many riders who move on to bigger bikes still remember machines like this with respect. Because this is where riding actually begins. The real magic of the 2026 Yamaha DT 50X isn't how fast it goes. It's how right it feels. It's how confident it makes you. It's how it reminds you that riding is supposed to be fun. This is Acer Rider. Ride smart. And never underestimate the power of a small bike that's built the right way.